Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and in this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on the smartphone. So to do that, go to settings, then select display and brightness, and here in the text and display size settings you can change this text size and weight by moving these sliders. And in the display size you can also change the size of the display from the small to default and to large by moving this slider at the bottom. And besides, if you open home screen and style, scroll down, select home screen settings, you'll also be able to change the icon size, so you can go from small to huge. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.